In this video, you will learn how to build a smarter quiz funnel using outcome mapping and visibility rules in Involve Me. This demo showcases creating a retirement readiness quiz that delivers tailored results based on user responses. The funnel type we're using for all of this is called Answer-Based Outcomes. It's the funnel type that shows different result pages to different people based on the exact answers they chose. Click Save to apply the funnel type, and we continue. Let me quickly walk you through what we have set up in this funnel. It starts with a welcome page to greet the user. From there, we ask if they already have a retirement plan in place, when they're planning to retire, what their household net worth looks like. Then we ask about their age range, and finally, their biggest concern about retirement. At the end, we have a contact form to capture their details. And finally, depending on how they answered, leads will end up on one of two outcome pages. Either book a strategy call if they're qualified, or the free retirement guide if they're not qualified. Right now, every lead walks through every page in the exact same order, no matter who they are. But our target audience is really people over 50. What we want to do is send our target audience down a deeper, more tailored path and fast-track everyone else straight to the form. This is where the smart features of Involve Me come into play. First, we want to map participants based on their age range to the required outcome pages. In our example, we want participants over 50 to be mapped to the Book a Strategy Call outcome page, and participant below 50 to be sent to the Free Retirement Guide outcome page. This can be achieved using outcome mapping. We'll do this on the age range question, since age is what determines whether a lead is ready for a strategy call or better suited for the free guide. We click on the What is your age range question in the editor. Scroll down to Answers and map according. Under 40 will be mapped to the free retirement guide, same as the ages 40 to 50. However, participants over 50 will go to the Book a Strategy Call page. Click Save and Close to apply changes, and exit the editor. And just like that, outcome mapping is set up. Now, we want participants under 50 to skip question 5, the What's your biggest concern about retirement question, and go directly to the contact form. To set this up, we'll use answer routing. Click again on the age range question. Then scroll down to Click Behavior. Now select Answer Routes to a specific page. For participants under 50, route their answers directly to page 7, so they skip page 6 and go straight to the contact form. For participants over 50, route their answer to next page, so they see the retirement concern question before the contact form page. Click Save and Close to save routing settings. And that's it. Answer routing is now set up. This keeps the funnel short and easy for leads outside our target audience, while saving the more detailed qualifying questions for the people we actually want to focus on. Next up, we only want to collect the email addresses from participants who are over 50 because they match our target audience and are the leads we want to follow up with. To do that, we'll use visibility rules. This lets us show the email field to our targeted leads. Let me show you how to set this up. Go to the contact form and click on the email field. Then scroll down until you find the visibility rules section. From there, change Hide conditionally to Show When. Click Set Visibility Conditions to define when elements appear. Now we'll define the condition by adding a rule. Set it to show when the age range equals over 50. Click Save to apply visibility rules. Click Save and Close to finalize visibility configurations. Now that everything is set up, let's run through the full quiz from start to finish and see how it works in action. Click Preview to test the funnel experience. First up, let's go through the quiz as someone under 40. Participants start on the welcome page, just as intended to walk through each question one by one, all the way up to the age range question. As soon as they select under 40, the answer routing kicks in and they go straight to the contact form, skipping the biggest concern question entirely. When they reach the contact form page, notice that the email field is no longer shown. That's exactly what we wanted, and it's happening because of the visibility rule we set up earlier. They fill in their first name, their last name, pick their gender from the drop-down, and specify their gender. They click on See My Result. Now they're taken straight to the free retirement guide page where they can download their guide right away. Now let's try it again, this time as a qualified lead, a participant over 50. Click Preview to test the funnel again. They go through the same questions as before, but this time the experience changes based on their answer. Now, on the age range page, they select over 50. Notice what happens next. Page 6 appears, the biggest concern question. This is as a result of the answer routing feature we set in place for leads over the age of 50. They select their preferred choice and click Next. Then the contact details form appears, and this time the email field is visible thanks to the visibility condition we set. They enter their first name, their last name. Select their gender from the drop-down. And finally, they provide their email address. Then submit for quiz result. And just like that, they land on the Book a Strategy Call page. From here, they can simply click the button, which will take them straight to the booking calendar, where they can choose the date and time that works best for them. And that's how everything comes together in one smart, personalized funnel. With answer routing and visibility, rule conditions every participant follows the path that makes the most sense for them. They only see the questions that matter. You only collect the details you need, and the right leads are guided toward the right next step. That's the power of InvolveMe. Smarter funnels, stronger lead qualification, and a personalized experience from the very first click.